even this is again back to Payday. I know Payday had a rhythm called Dark Room. This rhythm had a medley video on it. It had you, Masicka, Nimran, and a couple more people in the video. This is the first time I've seen you guys actually doing music like on the same rhythm. But Masicka is one name, boss, that you've been calling Masicka. What is it about Masicka in particular where you say this is somebody that you wanted to clash?
All right. You see, Masicka now. Masicka a talented youth. It's a youth that have real talent.
Mm-hmm.
I went him see me one time. Me and Killer did that one show one time and him see me and him tell me about one of my songs. He must say, yo, youth, your body no fam. One song about Tep in the road. Me that's a Tep in the road, print left in the road. Yeah. But after that now, I realize one big styling thing going. One big styling thing going in the process of Bounty Killer, Masicka, and the whole thing, where it's not Masicka style me. You see me? You have already my call. What name? A Dancehall Bully already my name. I think a Dancehall Bully, you know, I'm over there and say, it's here than get way. I think I don't know. I say, when we are at that, and I let up. Oh, be like, what? Yeah, man. One way Killer and Masicka do the color part. Remember, Killer never vice man the rhythm now, you know. Killer never vice man the rhythm. So the juggling need come out and I go on and I do it thing. And you know, say Masicka did that do him thing with Corey Tad. You see me? But me now, me don't have a strength around my thing.
Mm-hmm.
You see me? Don't have a management strength. Don't have a management strength. When me did just start out, when I'm a little charge them, did I bring me around and give me a link with one of them brother them, and we did a try build a thing, but before me end up reach thing and end up split up a thing and I do feed them thing. So never really forward out of that. You see me?
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know if it goes so, but me ear say something go on and then Killer go do the collab with Masicka, and me don't know if nothing goes off a true, because me not really, I just hear things. You understand what I say?
Mm-hmm.
And when me there, you know, in my hungry stage that I meds and say, me just there, so everybody I get straight and me just the only thing me have left our. The only thing me have left a lyrical bullet to be just knock it, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, me not nothing else more lyrical bullet, so me just start knock it, bro.
Mm-hmm.
I me not care. And that's the thing there. Cause as me say, I saw me did start out. Me start out and not the lyrical bullet and realize it's like this alone me have as my this is my only tool. Me not have nothing else but this. So it's like me have to use it up. Yeah, me have to use it up. So if it a go bring me to my grave, it have to just bring me to my grave with what me has that knock it.
Yeah. Because that's the only, as you said, that's the only thing you have control over. That's the only thing you have 100%.
Are the only thing that me have control over. Me not have the control over nothing else. Because nobody now give me no rhythm. If your mates, all right, how long IYARA in a dancehall? Check all of the juggling them were coming up. You ever hear IYARA on up juggling yet? Like one of the real juggling them will come out. You ever hear IYARA on one?
We say you didn't really get it.
Me not get it. No man advise me on none of the juggling them, bro.
Why is that though?
Jordan did advise me a long time. Did advise me a long time. Big up Jordan. And I think about Andrew Black's advice me one time. Up in a late part and advice a song on me and Killer. I think Marcus did put me on a rhythm too. But as me I say, the juggling them way, cause them time there, if you even have certain strength in the game, you say once you're in the juggling and your song bad, your song I got play, so your song will just break way. You see me? Your song have the ability to break way. But as me say from a earthly straight man blame tool. So me nah blame nothing. Me nah blame no man whenever advise me. Me have every man in the music good. None of the artists them where me knock lyrical bully that. Me a all no good. If you no feel like you know want to take it personal, I phone no business that, bro. Cause me no really care. But as me say, me and everybody good. And that's what me think because me just have to knock me bullet because me have reason to knock it. You see me? But them time when me a knock bullet at you, me don't even know someone who me a knock it at you. You see me? That was just my survival point. So me have to strike. You hear that? So I just decided, but right now, I'm pretty no artist from me. Every man good.
Did Masicka ever answer you back?
No. No. See Masicka was stage show at Portland one time. I run up on him. And they run off his stage, man, him friend them. Run off his stage. You know, kill a cuss and go on bad dog. This, that, cuss and go on away. Dog. Shouldn't do this. Brother, we just, brother. Yo, no joke, no hungry, no fam. When you're hungry, you're grimy, you know. Yeah, man. I just did it over the years. I sing song. Nothing now go on, nobody now advice with nobody now give you no support, nobody now. Brother, we just get dark and not care. Yes, man.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinesmusica.com.